Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Better Call Paul. My name is Vivek Pod and we are in the YouTube playlist of web scraping. And in today we are going to discuss about Serper API. Why to use Serper API, how to use it, when to use it, what are the advantages and limitations, what is the pricing, everything we are going to cover here. We will divide this tutorial in two parts. One is theoretical and one is practical to get more understanding. So, what is exactly Serper API and why we use it? This is a Google Search API. It searches the Google and returns the results, which you can later scrap if needed. So, instead of opening Chrome and trying on Google and parsing HTML, you simply send a HTML request and get the result. Why there is a need to learn and use Serper? Because sometimes Google blocks scrapping, so you can't scrap the Google entirely. And then comes why to use Google for auto searching, because if you want to track if your website is SEO optimized or not. SEO means search engine optimized or not, whether your e-commerce platform is search engine optimized or not. If you want to do it regularly, so instead of doing this repetitive task, normally businesses use some kind of application. That applications has integrated Serper API keys. Okay, so how Google blocked the scraping? Because it provides CAPTCHA and Autobots. For example, our automatic applications. They can't automatically scrap the websites. Means your Selenium can't automatically scrap the Google's websites. So because of CAPTCHA, also IP blocking, rate limiting is there. Means within a minute you can't send too many requests. That kind of limitations are there. Also, Google frequently changes the HTML, so the inbuilt scripts of Selenium fail there. So all these problems solve with the help of this Serper. And when should we use Serper? When we want to search a Google, then we want to search news, images, shopping, maps, videos, AI agents, RAG system. Then we have to use Serper. When not to use it, if you want to scrap product details, then table data, logging to the websites, clicking buttons. So these are browser automation things, and these are well done with the help of Selenium or Playwright. Now, what are the advantages and limitations of Serper API keys? So advantages are it is extremely easy and very fast, very short source code will be there. I will show you after a few minutes. Then it returns JSON output. No HTML parsing is there. No browser and browser clicking and all is there. It is AI friendly. Means whatever the output it gives is AI friendly. It is good for RAG, it is great for LangChain, Creo AI, LangGraph, so that agentic AI system. And disadvantages is like it is paid after some free limit data. You cannot click the web pages, you cannot log in, you cannot scrap dynamic contents, and depends on API availability. If there is something wrong in Serper API key, then your system will not work. Means dependency is there. Okay. Now I will show you the source code. I have put the source code on my GitHub repository and link is mentioned in the description box. You can see here these are requirement.txt, only three libraries, Streamlit, request and python.env. .env because we have to get access to this .env file. Then request library is used to request library is used to download the HTML content. Okay. Then Streamlit is used to Streamlit is a Python framework. Means how you will see the entire dashboard, buttons and heading and subheading and all. Here is your API key. Okay. Then this is our app.py file. You have to import OS operating system request, then Streamlit as st as ally, then .env, load env. This is how you will load your API key from .env file. Then this is the heading Google search using Serper. Then this is your input box of Streamlit. It is stored inside query. variable. This query is passed to this parameter. Then if search button is clicked, then URL will be this, and here you will see the headers are there, API key, then content type, payload, Q is equals to query, and you will see the result will be shown here. Result will be stored in data in a JSON format, and you will get the organic content here. Organic means pure content, no sponsored content. Then in results, you will get subheader, then result, link, snippet, and divider. So this is a very short code. I will show you how it will run. Run app.py. And this SerEnv is the name of my virtual environment I have created over here. I will just click enter, and now you will see. So this is our heading: Google search using Serper. So now I will search, for example, Infosys, and click enter. Then application will start running, and you can see this beautifully it is extracted. This is heading, this is URL, then this is snippet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Almost 8 lines are there. Now I will again search here Infosys. It's in Google Infosys. I will search. You can see 1, 2, 3. So this is helpful for your SEO tracking as well. So first is infosys.com. This is the URL, and heading is Infosys Consulting IT Service Digital Transformation. Infosys Consulting IT Service Digital Transformation. This is the URL, and build your future with Infosys Business Evaluation. Build your future with Infosys Business Evaluation. This is snippet. Then again LinkedIn, then Wikipedia, Infosys is heading, this is URL, and Infosys Limited, then outsourcing service. You can see Wikipedia outsourcing service, this is the URL. So from here also you can go to this and another website. So this is also added advantage. Instead of just scraping the data, it scrap the Google, it scrap the website, it scrap the title, it scrap the snippet. So it will be more helpful to you. Screener.in, LinkedIn. So a lot of things it has extracted from this Google page. Okay, so that's it. So it is better to track your SEO, search engine optimization. This is one of the type of web scraping tools, Serper API. So from this Serper API, you can search web searches of Google web searches, then Google News, Google Images, Google Photos, then Google Videos, then Google Shopping, then Google Maps and Places. So all the Google products you can access via Serper API. And when to choose Serper, if you need a reliable Google search results in JSON, you are building AI assistant, track system, and search enabled applications. You want to avoid browser automation and HTML parsing. And when to choose Selenium, if you want to automate this browser automation like logging to website, fill the form, click the buttons, and when to use a BeautifulSoup if you have already HTML content and want to extract the structured data from it. So these are various ways how we can use Serper. We have covered theoretical part as well as practical part, and we see the live demo how the code actually works. So that's it about Serper. I will show you how to get the Serper API key as well. So this is just a Serper API key. I have Google search it. This is the first website. I have already created my account. You have to sign up, get 2,500 free queries, and after creating the account, you will get your Serper API key. Okay, and yeah, these are the pricing. $50. You will get 50,000 credits. One search is equals to one credit, and these are limits 50 queries per second. So it's like if you want to build a big AI web scraping tool application, then these are very helpful for you. Standard, scale, ultimate. So these are the plans actually, and the validity is not per month. It is for 6 months. Okay, so you will get this much credits. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. If you really like this video, if you found this helpful, and if you like my efforts, then please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We will meet in the another video soon. Till then, bye bye.